Take a slow breath in and out. Picture this, you've just finished the pitch. The room is with you. An investor asks, "What's your monthly burn?" You answer, "Not wrong, just rounded." Is it not then? How long does this round last you? You don't state a number, you start talking about how the business is accelerating, how growth is compounding, how next quarter changes everything. No one interrupts, but the energy shifts. The conversation isn't about your idea anymore. It's about whether you're in control. The deal doesn't die with a no. It quietly loses momentum. Here's what happened. Run rate and runway aren't just numbers. They signal how you handle pressure, face trade-offs, manage reality when it matters. When you can't answer precisely, investors recognize a pattern. The founder who rounds runway to avoid feeling behind, who buries burn in explanations to soften judgment, who adds context to control the narratives before they can react. And here's the thing, if you're honest with yourself, this is the third meeting where you've been vague about runway. That's not coincidence. That's avoidance. What you're really doing is trying to control how they perceive the truth instead of stating the truth and letting it stand. Cash doesn't run out suddenly. Flexibility does. By the time you realize you're in trouble, your best options are already gone. Now imagine understanding what was happening in that moment. You knew the numbers, but saying them felt dangerous. 14 months sounds short, 60,000 feels high. The truth needed cushioning, so you rounded to avoid shame. You explained to soften judgment. You framed with hope to control their reaction. But investors aren't listening for optimism. They're listening for clarity, your ability to see reality exactly and navigate it decisively anyway. That's the signal between founders who scale and founders who lose control. What keeps you in control? Know your numbers with precision. Monthly burn to the dollar. Runway to the week, cash this morning. Hesitation signals you're not watching what matters most. State truth first, then frame it. Don't hide 14 months inside a growth story. Say, we have 14 months, then here's why that's the right time frame. Separate what you control from what you don't. You control burn. You don't control market timing. Own the first, acknowledge the second. Show the plan, not hope. Don't say we're careful with cash. Say, we cut burn from 80 to 55 in Q3 by renegotiating infrastructure. What doesn't work? Rounding to feel better, hiding burn in unit economics. Saying we're talking to investors when asked about runway. Explaining instead of answering. Let these settle. Clarity under pressure is leadership. Truth said confidently beats hope explained carefully. The discomfort you feel stating hard numbers is growth happening. When questions come, what's your burn? 53,000 monthly, down from 72. Runway? 14 months at current burn, cash position 460,000 today. Why raise now? For optionality, not rescue capital. Notice what precision signals say. In 53,000 instead of around 50 shows you track what matters. You're not hiding truth in explanations, you're stating it clearly, then helping them understand it. Every answer says, I see reality clearly, I manage it actively. Trust me with your capital. Starting now. Write 3 numbers exactly. Burn this month, runway at current rate. Cash today. Practice saying them until they feel normal, not scary. Build a 1-page snapshot, update weekly. This is your control panel. Notice which numbers trigger avoidance. The ones you round or explain away, those are the pattern. Break it before the next pitch. Picture 6 months from now, another pitch. What's your burn? 48,000 monthly, optimized from 62. Runway? 19 months, raising to extend to 36. The investor nods, not because numbers are perfect, because you own them completely. No hesitation, no rounding, no gap between question and answer later. The term sheet arrives, the investor you wanted who backs founders, seeing clearly and moving deliberately. The confidence didn't come from better numbers, it came from breaking the pattern, from knowing them exactly and saying them without the hesitation that used to signal doubt. Take one slow breath in and out. Precision signals control. Truth said confidently beats hope explained carefully. The discomfort of stating hard truth is growth happening in real time. You know your numbers exactly. You state truth, then frame it. You recognize the pattern and you're breaking it. Open your eyes when you're ready.